Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can disable or block accessing quick settings from the lock screen on Samsung phone. So without wasting any time, let us begin. So even if my phone is on lock screen, I can simply turn on or off Wi-Fi or data directly from here. So this makes our phone less secure. So to change it, go to settings on your phone. Scroll below until you see the lock screen setting. Tap on the lock screen settings. In here, tap on Secure Lock Settings. Now enter your PIN or pattern to go through with it. Once here, tap on Lock Network and Security option. Now this will block any access to quick settings from the lock screen. To show you what this means, let me lock the screen again, and if I try to turn off or on Wi-Fi, it will ask me the pattern. That's it guys, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.